Okay, on to the respiratory system lab. What we're going to be doing in this section here, the learning objectives, cover just basic anatomy of the entire respiratory system and some lung volumes. Here are lab videos. This one covers all of the model anatomy, and there's some computer anatomy in there as well. And then this video goes over all of the histology for the respiratory system. We have 4 slides we look at. And as always, I kind of try to keep those short. The anatomy ones are kind of tough because I don't want to break those up. Outlines and study diagrams. A little motivation for you. So the respiratory system lab outline is there. The diagrams, okay, as far as the video that I made, this is the document that I used. So you're welcome to those as well. They always ask me that. So here's, there's that picture, and then all of this. So it goes all the way down through, and then like I said, here's some computer. I go through that with you as well. So that's the video. When you see that, that's the video document that I use for the videos. Here's the lab slide PowerPoint, which is also what I used for the video for the lab. A blank lab exam sheet if you want. If I know that maybe not everybody has a printer. I know it was quite a while before I ever did, but if you wanted to print that out and practice writing down things maybe before you take your lab exam. And then here's a review for the 3rd lab exam, which is over respiratory and digestive. And then here are some diagrams if you wanted to look at those as well. And they're the ones that document has them too. Where's like a trachea? That's just a really good diagram out of a book. There's a little guy, little mannequin person. See the respiratory there? You can actually make these bigger, look, when you click on them. And go down the trachea and the bronchi and all that kind of thing. So go back. Now this is called, used these before. These are Padlet exercises. I apologize for these photos. If we ever get to go back to Howard College again, I'll be redoing these. Something had gone wrong with our server, so these were all yellow, but they're still the same pictures. You can click on these Padlets and you can make them huge like that, and it lets you scroll around. I think they're really cool. This is emphysema. And if you want, you can of course click on this. You can click on a part of this and it says this frame. Open this frame in a new tab, and you can make these full screen if you want to. These are pretty good. Actually, the PowerPoint pictures are really good for this section. The digestive Padlet is really good for lab. All right, and then the assignments for this lab is the same as it's been all this way. Here's lab lesson number 2. So you can click on that. It goes through, gives you some really good pictures, some practice questions, and you can go from there. So yeah, that is everything. So you can find everything, and I hope these are a little easier to navigate. But that's everything that is involved with the respiratory system lab.